Little storyteller.
A little blue drone whizzed back to Lily, its tiny propellers still spinning. A small, rolled-up piece of brown paper was tied to its landing gear, with a bright green thread. Lily gently untied it. The paper smelled a little like nuts. Lily carefully unrolled the paper. There were funny little drawings on it. A squirrel wearing sunglasses, a picture of a shiny golden nut, with a big question mark next to it, and an arrow pointing towards a tall oak tree. This must be from Agent Acorn. Agent Acorn was a secret spy squirrel Lily had read about in her storybook. Lily skipped over to the tall oak tree, at the edge of her garden. Its leaves were a bright, happy green. She looked closely at the thick, bumpy trunk. There was a tiny wooden door she had never noticed before. It had a little sign that said, Agent Acorn Top Secret. Lily gently knocked. The tiny door creaked open, and a small fluffy squirrel with round, curious eyes popped his head out. He wore a little pair of toy sunglasses perched on his nose. "Are you Lily?" he squeaked in a tiny voice. "I'm Agent Acorn, and the legendary golden nut has gone missing. Can you help me find it?" Lily nodded eagerly. Together, she and Agent Acorn searched around the sunny garden. They looked under big green leaves, and behind colorful, blooming flowers. A plump bumblebee buzzed past them. Suddenly, Lily spotted something shiny near the sparkling blue bird bath. It was the golden nut. It wasn't really gold, but it shimmered brightly in the sunlight. A little bluebird was sitting next to it, looking very proud. Agent Acorn scurried over. "Excuse me, little bluebird," he said politely. "Is this your shiny nut?" The bluebird chirped happily and shook its head. It had found the nut and thought it was pretty. Agent Acorn thanked the bluebird for keeping it safe. Agent Acorn held the golden nut proudly. "Thank you for your help, Lily," he said. "This special nut reminds us that even small friends can solve big mysteries by being helpful and kind to each other." Lily smiled. Helping Agent Acorn was a fun adventure.
Please subscribe. Thank you.